Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're unpacking a critical issue that's causing sleepless nights for many in the manufacturing and industrial sectors, the rapidly expanding skills gap. As the workforce ages and technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, the gap between the skills needed and those available is widening. But don't stress, we've got some strategies to bridge this gap. Stay tuned to learn how to attract and retain skilled workers by understanding what they value most in a job. Let's dive in. The main challenges contributing to this skills gap are simple yet significant. Every day, an estimated 10,000 workers reach the age of 65, which means a large portion of the workforce is likely to retire in the next decade. This mass retirement, combined with the difficulty of retaining existing workers, is leaving many positions vacant and hard to fill. According to a survey conducted by Plant Services in 2019, 47% of their 200 respondents stated that retaining their existing workforce was one of their biggest challenges. Another study found that an estimated 2.4 million manufacturing jobs will remain unfilled between 2018 and 2028. But it's not just about filling positions, it's about finding qualified applicants. Most people aren't currently looking for work in manufacturing, and those who are hired require training, which can take a couple of months. Plus, the evolving nature of industrial environments means that the demands of modern workplaces are changing. So how do we overcome these challenges? The solution lies in meeting workers' needs. The more you can fulfill the needs and desires of your workers, the more likely you'll be to attract and keep skilled workers. Here are some key factors that have the most positive impact on workers. First, align your business practices with your workers' values. Employees are more likely to show loyalty towards companies that share their values. Second, provide opportunities for growth. No one wants a dead-end job, so make it clear what it takes to advance within your company. Third, take your employees' ideas seriously. More collaborative leadership structures where input is sought from all team members can lead to greater job satisfaction and retention. Fourth, recognize your employees' work. Expressing gratitude can go a long way toward employee retention. Fifth, maintain transparency and clear communication. Trustworthiness is key to building loyalty and worker retention. And finally, ensure equitable compensation. Remember, if you invest in your employees, they'll repay you with quality work and a solid commitment to helping your company succeed. Now, let's talk about specific strategies for meeting your current workers' expectations. One approach is to use collaborative leadership strategies. This type of leadership style not only retains employees and improves performance, but it also provides coaching opportunities for individual workers, helping to close the skills gap. Another strategy is to get your workers certified. Investing in certification programs like CMRT, Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, CMRP, Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, and IMI certification can provide your workers with opportunities to develop their skills. Providing continuous training and showing appreciation towards your workers can also boost morale and improve productivity. And last but not least, improve your planning. Streamlining workflows with careful maintenance planning can lead to a higher level of job satisfaction. But what about attracting new qualified workers? Partnering with community colleges, creating clear job descriptions, being transparent, recruiting through your employees, and investing in apprenticeship programs can all help attract qualified employees. In conclusion, the key to overcoming the skills gap is to meet the needs of your employees. Create a corporate culture based on collaboration and transparency, invest in professional development, meet employee expectations, reduce workplace frustrations, and be transparent during the hiring process. Thank you for watching. We've discussed the growing skills gap in the manufacturing and industrial sectors and how meeting the needs of your workers can help bridge this gap. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, if you take care of your employees, they'll take care of you. Stay tuned for more insights on how to make your maintenance and operations teams more successful.